Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into trouble code P0154 OBD-II sensor circuit no activity detected on bank 2 sensor 1. If you've got a check engine light and this code popped up, don't worry, I'll break it down for you in plain English, what it means, why it happens, how to fix it, and whether it's safe to keep driving. P0154 points to a problem with the oxygen sensor located on bank 2, sensor 1. That's the upstream sensor, the one before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine that doesn't have cylinder 1. This sensor's job is to measure how much oxygen is in the exhaust gases and send that info to your car's computer. It helps your engine run efficiently and control emissions. But when the computer sees no activity, meaning a flat line or no signal, for a certain period, it triggers this code. Symptoms. You might notice symptoms like poor fuel economy, rough idle or hesitation, strong exhaust smell, or in some cases, nothing at all, just that annoying check engine light. Even if the car runs fine, it's still affecting emissions and long-term performance. So, what causes the P0154 code? Here are the most common culprits. Faulty OBD-II sensor. The sensor itself may be dead or stuck, no longer producing a voltage signal. Wiring issues, damaged wires, corroded connectors, or loose plugs can break the signal. Exhaust leaks. A leak before the sensor can give false readings or no readings at all. ECU or PCM problems, rare, but a malfunctioning engine control module could be to blame. A professional scan tool that reads live OBD-II sensor data can help confirm if the sensor is truly inactive. Diagnosis and fix. Here's how to diagnose and fix it. Check live data, use a scan tool and monitor the sensor voltage. It should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts when the engine is running. If it's flatlined, that's your clue. Inspect wiring, look for burnt, frayed, or disconnected wires going to the sensor. Test the sensor. You can test resistance or voltage output with a multimeter. Replace the OBD-II sensor. If it's confirmed bad, swap it with a high-quality replacement. Clear the code. Use your scanner to clear the check engine light after the fix. Tip: always make sure you're working on bank 2 sensor 1. Don't confuse it with bank 1 or downstream sensors. Is it safe to drive with a P0154? Technically, yes, your car will still run. But it'll burn more fuel, produce higher emissions, and possibly damage your catalytic converter over time. So, it's best to fix it sooner than later. And that's everything you need to know about P0154. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car diagnostic tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Thanks for watching.